Hey guys, welcome back to Twing World. So in this tutorial, we're gonna see about the delete operation in SQLite. So in the word delete itself, we can easily get that we have to delete particular record in our table which are already present in our table. So I have made a video into two parts. One is a theoretical one and another is a programmatical one. So please watch fully to understand even better. So this is our current table. So currently we have three records. So to delete particular record, we have to make these steps correctly. So the first step is we have to create a reference of SQLite database. So second one is we have to call the delete method. So inside the delete method, we have to pass three parameters. So one is table name and next one is where conditions. I mean the where class. So here we have to delete, let's say we have to delete Android. So we have to make that where username equal to Android. So this is the where condition and the third one can be null. So suppose let's say we have to delete one record. Let's say Dinesh record we have to delete. So for that we have to pass three parameters as first parameter will be table name. So second parameter where condition will be username equal to that single quotation Dinesh and you have to close the quotation and the third parameter will be null. So let's see in detail. So this is the actual scenario. So this is the SQL database. We have to delete. Inside this we have to pass the three parameters. So first will be table name and the second parameter should be like this. This is the where condition and the third parameter will be null. So let's go to our Android Studio. So see here we have already created our layout file and everything will be perfect. So let's go to our DB helper class because this is our API. Here we have to create a method like say delete. So it also returns in boolean because you have to check whether it is already deleted or not. So that's it. So inside this there is only one parameter that is a string name. So as we said, our first step will be we have to create a reference of SQLite database. So we just create our SQLite database with this .get writable database. And the next step will be we have to call the delete method. We have to pass three parameters. So the first parameter will be table name and the second one will be, as I said, where class. So username will be equal to our current name. So our current name will be comes under single quotes. So don't forget this single quote guys. So that's it. So third one will be null. So we have to return true or false. How to get? Because see, if it is actually deleted, it will be written above 0 number. So let's make do like this. So if it is true, it will return true. If it is false, it will return false. So that's it. So our next step will be we have to call that delete method in a main activity. So before that, we have to get the edit text data. So that's it. So we have to pass an if condition. We can just call this delete method. So inside this we have to pass the text. So if it is written true, then actually the text has been deleted. I mean the record has been deleted. So let's display a toast message mentioning that this text has been deleted successfully. So that's all. Everything is completed. So let's run the program. So see, this is our output. So first let's type a new name. Let's say new name and the age can be 34 and just we can insert that data. So see, this data is already inserted. So let's check the data is available or not. Now we can delete this data. So before that, let us remove the 34 and just press the delete button. So yes, see, this new name has been deleted successfully. Now you can just read the data. See, this data has been removed successfully. So that's all guys. If you learn something new in this tutorial, you can just press the like button, and if you have any suggestions to improve or any feedback regarding this video, you can just comment in comment box. And if you are waiting for future video, you can just click the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so that you can get the notification prior when I upload the video. And just go to YouTube and just search the Twing world. And see, here we have a lot of videos regarding Android studios, so it will be great to learn for you. And also we have a playlist like SQLite, Android mini tutorials, and Android studios COVID-19 app tutorials. You can watch and learn everything. So thank you, bye bye.